How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another Norse News. I'm Cody.
And I'm Kobe.
Wait, what? That's much better.
Welcome back to another Norris News episode. It's me, Cody.
And I'm Kobe.
This week we're going to be interviewing Mr. Myers on his golf head coach job next year.
Now on to 160 News.
160 News back here with another interview. Today we're going to be interviewing Mr. Myers on his golf head coach job next year. So what time does the season start?
Yeah, good question. So I'll be the head coach for the boys and the girls. So for the girls season, it actually starts a couple weeks before school even starts. So that's in the summer. We usually get started. We have our first little tryouts where everybody comes out and plays. We see how everybody's at. Then we start working at the range and getting better. Tournaments don't start actually a few weeks into school, but we do actually get to start right away with practice, which is awesome. And then for the boys season, that starts at the end of February. So this year is February 25th was the first day we got to start. Now usually the weather's not great, so we're indoors, but at least we get to practice and swing some clubs.
So how long does the golf season last?
Yeah, it's a great question, too. So for girls, that usually goes into October. The first, second week into October is when girls' state is, and hopefully that's the goal to make it a state every year. As for the boys, that season usually goes to the end of the school year. So that means this year's state is on May 22nd and 23rd, so it does take your whole school year.
And then who can join golf?
Yeah, good question. So for this, for golf, it doesn't really matter if you've ever played before. So if you're an 8th grader and you want to try out next year, absolutely come try out. Even if you haven't played, we take all beginners. It's incredible how much better you can get from a freshman to a senior. Even freshmen, sophomores, juniors can come try out for the team if they want to get better at golf. It's a game that you'll play for the rest of your life, so it's awesome to come out and try out. Keep in mind on the bulletin next week, I'm going to be posting some times to meet during Jumpstart, so that way we can meet and get together in my room and talk about different summer programs to make you a better golfer.
Thank you for your time. Now, on to World of Sports.
Hi, welcome back to World of Sports. I'm here with Collier Hesterman and Emery Burnley, and we're going to be doing a home run derby. Wow, that was a close one with Emery coming out with 3 dingers on top. So, Emery, how's it feel?
I had that one in the bag, Barrett. I'll tell you. I just knew.
All right, and Collier.
I feel pretty good. I almost had one bounce to the fence, so I was pretty proud of that.
Thank you. Now on to 160 Buzz.
Welcome back to 160 Buzz. Today we're going to be continuing our spelling bee that we did last week. We are here with Isaiah.
Can you spell optimistic?
OPITIMS.
Wrong. Now we're here with Trevor. Can you spell optimistic?
OPTIMISTIC.
Correct. And now we're here with Connor. Can you spell optimistic?
OPTAMISTIC.
Wrong.
Now on to
The Crazy
Cooking Crew.
The Crazy Cooking Crew. And today we're making French silk pie. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is add in the vanilla, sugar, and eggs. Then mix until fully combined.
Once you're done with that, add in your melted chocolate and butter until fully combined.
Once that's all mixed, add in your whipping cream. And then you're going to mix till fully combined.
Now pour your mixture into your pie crust.
After that, let chill for at least 6 hours.
After we let it chill overnight, we cut it into fourths.
Now we're going to try them. Delicious.
Take it away, Titans Get Challenged.
Welcome back to Titans Get Challenged.
Today we'll be mixing things up with a game called Mystery Ingredients.
So the rules of this game are simple. If you get a question correct, you get to put a scoop of ice cream in your blender. But if you get a question wrong, you have to put a mystery ingredient in it, and at the end, you have to drink it.
Let's go meet our contestants. Today we have Beckett Lund, 7th grade, Michael Langston, 8th grade. Are you guys excited for this?
No. Your first question is, what does the F stand for in FBI? Beckett.
Federal.
That's correct. Now, Micah, you get to choose a bag. Show us what's in that bag. Now, Beckett, you get to give yourself a scoop of ice cream.
It's all of it?
Just a scoop.
That's all.
In what year did the Titanic sink?
1912.
That is correct. Now, Beckett, pick a bag.
Pitted olives. Final question. Who is on the $100 bill?
Benjamin Franklin.
That is correct. Now, Micah, pick a bag.
This is your bonus question. What was the film made in 2000 starring Jim Carrey? Beckett. 3,
Happy Gilmore.
2. That is incorrect.
Ivan Almighty.
No, that is also incorrect. You both have to choose a bag. Now that both drinks are blended, you both need to take a drink. How did that taste? Thanks to our contestants, and now on to animal education.
And welcome back to Animal. This week we'll be doing Mrs. Brown's hermit crab, Gigi. The hermit crab lives up to 10 years. They can get 6 inches long. They live on land, not water. But your normal crab, they live on water, not land. In water, not land. Hermit crabs can be handled, but they will pinch if threatened or scared. They will molt their skin, also known as shredding it, and will grow out of their shell when they keep growing.
Hi, I'm here with Caleb Glover. Do you know what the hermit crab looks like?
No.
Oh, it has a shell that it grows out every time it keeps growing.
Cool.
Do you know how many species are there?
No.
Approximately 1,100
Like different species or like of one species?
different species. Hi, I'm here with my sister,
Elizabeth Melchling.
Have you ever seen a hermit crab before?
Only in videos in kindergarten.
Did you know that people consider them as trash pets and think they only live up to a few months? But one was recorded in captivity for 32 years.
That's surprising. I never thought crabs could live that long in captivity.
I can't get it.
Hey, do you need help?
Yeah, it's 518-2. Thank you so much.
And that's the Play of the Week. Thanks for watching another week of Video News.
We both hope you have a great rest of your week.
And we'll see you next week on 160 News.